So this is the kind of stuff that you can use. You can use these lures here, which you can troll quite successfully. These ones here are quite neat too. They kind of spin. Oops, I'll get you on the camera first. These guys here you can actually spin as well, spin and troll. And then you've got the usual tobies that you'd use for the likes of trout and things like that. And you've got, these are probably what they call kind of spoons, because they're kind of a spoon shape type lure. These are all around the 7 gram mark generally. So then you go to like your spinners. And again, land based, these are great. I wouldn't troll them behind a boat, but the good thing about each one of these ones is that they have a little propeller, so that kind of tunes up the water, makes a lot of vibrations that the fish kind of like. Or different people have different ideas of what it is with a lure. Some people say it attracts them, some people say it annoys them. Either way, they catch fish. I particularly like this one here, mainly because of the name. This is a flying condom. Okay, you can sort of see why. And again, it also has a little spinner on it as well. And so from there, then you go over to your more expensive lures like these guys here are your Opalas. Notice there's no hook on this one. I actually find that if you take the hooks off the middle, you don't tend to hook up on so much rubbish and stuff. They're forever hooking on the front hooks while you're towing them and all that sort of stuff. I take those off. Perch tend to go for the more gaudy type of colours. When I say gaudy, I mean the brighter colours. So these two here, this one and this one, have got orange underneath. Now they're quite bright and flashy, and the perch seem to really like these colours specifically. These are generally the lures that I use behind the boat. The reason being they cost more, but I think they cost more and they catch more. Hi guys, perch. Pretty little fish, quite colourful, really nice, and people throw them away, and they should never do that, because this is beautiful. Excuse me being a wuss, but I like my fingers. So, but anyway, the unique thing about these things is that you basically you do a similar thing to most other fish. First thing you're doing is you cut them across like that, and you cut them across at the tail. Then we are just making a nice little line all the way down as you Now here's the cool part. Ow! You stick your finger in one of those spines and you hurt yourself. That's what you do. They're very spiny. Okay, so you do the side of the skin like that, either side of the skin, and you peel them like a banana. Bloody awesome. Love this fish. It's about the only fish I know that you can do this with, although there could be more, because I'm not an expert, but love my fishing. Good old NZ fishing. So literally you can peel it like that. Bang, there's your fillets ready to go. And then all you need to do is just run your knife down either side. And even out of a little fish, you'd be surprised the fillet that you get off. Yep, so rib cage, I'm actually, instead of going straight down now, I'm actually putting it on an angle and I'm just taking away that that row of bones there, and then you end up with a very beautiful, almost pearlescent looking fillet like that. And they are glorious to eat. They are much nicer than trout. Beautiful. Perch have a beautiful taste just on their own. As they are, straight in the pan with butter is all that's needed. You can do lots of other things with them, but with butter it's absolutely beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Absolutely beautiful. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully we'll go out and do some more fishing as soon as the weather starts getting better. Okay. Feel free to comment and like and subscribe if you wish to. Thanks. Bye.